Welcome to NaxToView. This video will show you how the 3D PDF tool works. This tool converts the model and results that are currently loaded in the 3D window into a 3D PDF file. The PDF created can be opened with Adobe Reader version 11 or newer, so that you don't need to have installed any additional plugin or software on your computer. So first, click on the red gear icon and a new window will pop up. Now, the first option of this window allows you to select the parameters for the case you want to generate the trees of properties, materials, or parts in the PDF file. Then there are a couple more options that you could use to reduce the size of the PDF file. Tick the first box if you want to include the internal elements, but take into account that the size of the PDF will be much heavier. So if you leave it unchecked, the internal elements won't be included, and therefore the file will be lighter. By checking the second option, all second order elements will be changed to first order, resulting also in a smaller PDF file. When creating the 3D PDF file, it is important to know that only what appears in the 3D window will be exported. For example, some properties and connectors are currently hidden in the model tree, so they will be also hidden in the 3D view. And finally, to save the PDF file, just click on the first icon to be able to choose the name and where you want to save it. And once the PDF has been created correctly, you will be able to open it. Now you can see the 3D model inserted within the PDF. PDF files usually take up very little space, just around 1 megabyte, so you will be able to take them anywhere. As we have exported the model with the properties, you will be able to see the model tree. To do this, just right-click on the model and choose the option Show the Model Tree, and then the model tree will appear automatically on the right. PDF has also several tools that you could use with the model, such as the measurement or the cut by section tools. For example, let's use the measurement tool. Right-click again and click now on Tools, and in this case select 3D Measurement Tool. Now you will be able to start measuring by clicking directly on the model. Finally, if you want to be able to see cross-sections of the model, click now on the icon at the top right and select the option Cross-Section Properties, and then click on Enable Cross-Section. Now you will be able to customize your view by adjusting the bottom bars.